Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Chromebook and signing in. Plug it into power and connect to Wi-Fi immediately so updates can download. Once done, choose your language, keyboard layout, and agree to terms. This initializes system services. You should sign in with the Google account you plan to use because it syncs settings and apps. If you want local-only use, choose guest mode briefly, but sign in to enable full features and cloud backup. You'll next complete account and system configuration. Enable sync so bookmarks, passwords, and extensions transfer automatically. Make sure to install available Chrome OS updates now. Updating first avoids compatibility problems. Once updates are applied, set up two-factor authentication for your Google account, customize privacy and site permissions, and add secondary users if needed. Also connect Bluetooth devices and adjust screen brightness and keyboard settings so your workflow is comfortable and secure. You finish by installing needed apps, organizing files into Google Drive folders, and setting automatic backups so nothing is lost. Once done, customize touchpad, display scaling, and notification settings to match how you work. Make sure peripheral drivers are functioning and test printing or external displays. If apps fail or the system is unstable, try rebooting, confirm Wi-Fi and update status. And as a last resort, perform a power.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.